Hello, I'm gonna analyze Never Let Me Go. And Never Let Me Go is a novel by Kazu Ishiguro. It was published in 2005, but is set in the 1990s. However, Ishiguro's version of 1990s society is not one that readers will recognize. A dystopia exists where many individuals are cloned from other people in order to be used as organ donors. The narrator, Kathy H., is an adult who is looking back at events that happened when she was a student at Hailsham School. Her narration often led her from the past to the present, and Casey and her friends, Ruth and Tommy, along with all the other students at Hailsham, are among those who have been cloned for the purpose of organ donation. Com- uh, as the novel progresses, it becomes clear that Casey and her friends have not fully understand what the future has in store for them, and it is not until Miss Lucy, one of their guardians, and the guardians in the novel is a teacher who look after the students at Hailsham, explains clearly that there is no point in Hailsham students planning future careers, that they begin to face the reality of their situation as organ donors, and the novel follows Casey, Ruth, and Tommy as they leave Hailsham and begin their lives as adults. And Casey becomes a carer, and a carer is the one who looks after the people who have begun the donation process and looking after those who have already donated until it's time for her to to become a donor. Some of the characters in the novel is as main characters in Never Let Me Go is Casey H. The reader is never told. We are never told her surname, and perhaps this is an that because she is cloned, and the students are denied a full identity and not given surnames but merely letters in order to how else can I say to justify them or to know them. And one student in Hailsham from another with the same name. When the novel begins, Casey is 31 years old and has been a carer for almost 12 years. And Casey is also the narrator of the novel, and the reader sees we see the events that happen from her perspective, and Casey narrates her memories from when she was a student at Hailsham School in great detail, and so it's possible to tell just how important her time uh, her time at Hailsham actually was. Ruth is one of Casey's closest friends, although there are times when Ruth can be unkind, and especially towards Casey. Ruth is even cruel to Tommy, with whom she later begins a relationship. And Ruth has a strong personality and exercises, and she has a control over her peace at Hailsham. However, she grows older and matures, and it's possible to see how she lacks confidence, uh, and she's desperate to fit in and be accepted, and she finds it difficult to face what the future has in store for her. After many years of doing all she can to prevent Casey and Tommy having a relationship, she ultimately tries to help them find some happiness together. The themes in Never Let Me Go uh, is explores as friendship and identity, and when we're looking closely at the lives of Casey, H, Ruth, and Tommy from the time they are at Hailsham School to the time they become carers and eventually donors, and the novel shows what happens when a society is allowed to use scientific experimentation freely and without considering how people would feel about it. And it's a novel about friendship and about being being or remembering the past, as well as a novel which as the novel allows the reader to question uh, human cloning generally. And narrative uh, in Never Let Me Go is written in the first person, and the story is told entirely from Casey's point of view, as she uh, tell us that my name is Casey H and I am 31 years old, and the action and characters are presented entirely as Casey herself, seeing them, and where she says in the novel also, and I realized that for Ruth and the others, whatever the boys chose to do was pretty remote for us. So we as readers will only find out about events if Casey can remember them, or or it comes from Casey's point of view. And Casey informs us as readers about the events she wants us to know about. So we may be as readers kept hidden from some events, and yeah, uh, that's it.